Hello everyone. The goal of this video tutorial is to determine the frequency distribution and calculate the mean of a research dataset. For this tutorial, we will use the provided research data. Assume that this will be our dataset. We have 10 respondents and 5 questions. To achieve this, we will use the frequency distribution function and follow these steps. First, understand the frequency function syntax. The syntax for the frequency function is equal sign, frequency, open parenthesis, then data array, comma, and beans array. In our case, the data array is the range B4 to B13. The beans array is the range H4 to H8. The next step is input the formula. First, select cells I4 to I8 where you want the frequency distribution results to appear. Again, select I4 to I8 where you want the frequency distribution results to appear. Then go to the formula bar and type the formula. Equal sign, frequency, open parenthesis, the data array is from B4 to B13, comma, the beans array is from H4 to H8. Highlight the range H4 to H8. Then press Fn and F4 simultaneously on your keyboard. Again, highlight the range H4 to H8, then press Fn and F4 simultaneously on your keyboard. Again, press Fn and F4 at the same time. Then the dollar sign will appear before the column H and row 4 and column H and row 8. The purpose of this dollar sign is to lock the cell references. Even though we copied this formula to the other cell, still the reference will not change. Then close parenthesis. To complete this formula, on your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Enter at the same time. Again, on your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Enter to complete this formula. Then copy the formula to question 2 until question 5. To check if this is correct, you can count how many respondents answered 5 on question number 1. We have 2 respondents answered 5 on question number 1. We can manually count it. 1, 2, and 4 respondents answer 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. and you can continue checking it. By following those steps, again, you will calculate the frequency distribution for the given data. Next, to calculate the mean, follow these steps. First, multiply the frequency values. Multiply the value in cell I4 by 5 plus multiply the value in cell I5 by 4 plus multiply the value in cell I6 by 3 plus multiply the value in cell I7 by 2 plus multiply the value in cell I8 by 1, then close parenthesis. By typing this, we can get the sum of all these products together. Next is divide by the total count. Again, divide by the total count. Or divide the sum by count B4 to B13. Count function, open parenthesis, the first value is B4 until, and the second is B13. B4 to B13, which gives the total number of respondents in our dataset. Again, we divide the sum by the count B4 to B13, which gives the total number of respondents in our datasets. Using the count function allows us to determine how many responses we have, ensuring our mean calculation is based on the correct sample size. Again, using the count function allows us to determine how many responses we have, ensuring our mean calculation is based on the correct sample size. Then close parenthesis. On your keyboard, click Enter. The mean for question number 1 is 3.6. You can drag the formula up to the question 5. To calculate the overall mean, follow these steps. Navigate to cell M10. Enter the formula. Equal sign, I9 to M9, then close parenthesis, then divide by count I9 to M9. Then click enter or press enter. The overall mean will be 3.70 for this dataset. To present this on table, you can copy all the values that we have here, then Control C, then paste it to this presentation table. Right click, paste special, select values, and transpose. Again, select values and transpose. Then click OK. And just rewrite the overall mean.